air out and all the cups fall.
Oh, that's how you have to do it.
Yeah.
You let the air out.
The balloon.
Okay.
After you blow it up.
I'm not responsible.
Okay, so then whatever's left, then your next person will do it.
And they got a minute, but it only can be one person at a time.
Okay, let's pick teams. We do need teams. All right, I've already told you, now you make the choice. Okay, Deb and Martine, y'all go over there.
I wish I had known the team thing I was
No, but you know what? But you know, if that's the case, you can do two at a time. One team versus the next team. Do the red on that side.
But how they gonna be able to blow it? Because they're gonna have to stand over.
Yeah, stand on the outside.
Okay, try it.
And then go that way, and then they stand on that side and go that way.
So these reds should spread out on this side?
Just yeah.
Well, you know what? I'm sorry, we better put them down here.
It's 15. It's 15. Put them on the seat.
The legs gonna be easy, just blow them down.
It look like it's
But that's why it's difficult, because you gotta have enough air in here. You're gonna get one balloon. So we gotta move it safe.
I'll move it. Okay, how many cups is
15. How many more cups you need?
Yes, you need more cups.
I need red, don't I?
So you blow up your balloon as big as you need it, and you have to use the air in the balloon to knock the cups down.
Oh, that's tight.
And you have to blow off all of the balloons in 1 minute. You gotta deflate your balloon.
Now, but the team part about it is after the first person air go out, then the next person can go. Question: do they have to wait till all the air is out before you blow your balloon?
Exactly.
Let you air out the balloon. Let it out. Let it out. I'm gonna blow your balloon for you, Star. Okay? And then you gonna go up there and you gonna let it go. Okay?
Are you saying they should be ready?
Say what?
Seem like they should be
Right.
I gotta know what this time.
No,
that's how the game is.
It's take 1
You
minute.
have to. The balloon is deflated. You're not allowed to have air in the balloon before the timer starts.
I know that's if it's one person, but what if it's teams? Because if you got to wait for the person to blow it up.
Why not? They'll be able to do it. It's 1 minute.
No, we just gonna do it like that.
1 minute to blow it up, and 1 minute to knock them down. Too.
Knock them
1
down.
minute to knock them down.
So your next person can't start blowing until the first person that go, air is out.
Oh, so everybody got
Put
the air down.
Just find some
Put the air down. I ain't gonna have to do it.
Let go. Go, Star. I mean, Kevin. Go, baby, go. Have to go. Go, Star. Then we're gonna have to go next. Blow it, Deontay. All of it.
You gotta be careful. There you go. Oh, he utilized it.
Thank you.
Let's go, brother.
There you go. Come on, Star. Come on, Star.
You get forward, boy.
Go ahead, Evan. Go ahead.
We won!
They got it.
No. He tapped me with the fingernail. That was the win.
Y'all got 30 seconds. Come on. 30 seconds.
Hit the bottom.
Oh.
There you go.
Got one left.
Go. Hit the bottom.
There we go. Come on. Got 20 seconds. You got one. 20 seconds. No, they weren't even moving. They're not moving. They ain't moving at all. I thought she pushing it with the balloon. Right. All right. I'll let it.
Again.
Got somebody else want to beat him?
Come on, man.
Come on, Ash. Come on, Ash.
Put that thumb on it.
Come on, Ash. Bring it.
Gotta go.
Come on, Ash. Just get a couple of them. Come on, Marvin. Go, Marvin. Come on, Marvin. Come down. Marvin. Come on, Marvin. Come on. Get him down.
Are you gonna walk up doing it?
Yeah, you have to. You've been watching all the sign excuses. Anybody else?
For another picture?
Oh, hell. He smoked, that's why. Let it out. You need to zoom in on him because he's struggling. Is that a balloon? No, it ain't got no hole.
Zoom in on my neck because he was struggling.
All right, go, Pete. Go, Pete. You can't get it. Come on, walk up, Pete, if you want to.
Who going next?
Come on, Pete. Come on. Beat them. Come on, Pete. Come on, Red. Come on, Red.
might be gone.
Hurry up, Darius. He got but one.
You got it. He ain't.
He ain't got but one, Darius. Come on, go.
Just like it was, you the garbage man. You gonna pick it up.
Okay, is there 3 more people who have not played? That's one Oh, Sean, you want to play? Unbeatable. Come on, I want to do it. These 3 right here. What's your name again? Alexis. Roll this way.
I'm gonna be on next team.
Well, we can do it later. You want to go?
Let her down.
Come on, y'all. Y'all got to beat them. Y'all ready?
I definitely. Who next? Zoom in on you.
After them? All right, one more time.
Come on, Deborah. I seen your veins and everything.
Ready? On your mark? You set? Go. Come on, Lexus. Come on. You can walk up. Walk up.
You don't get blown out there. You
I got mine. All right, come on, y'all. Y'all got to beat him. Come on. Y'all got to beat him. Come on.
Get him all.
I'm flipping it over 3 times because it's 3 people on the team. That's a win.
Do we do a lot of cups at once?
No, you can't.
If anybody understands, let's get 3 people.
You know what we're going to do? We're going to reduce the number of cups. You're only going to have 15 cups, so it'll go through quickly.
Oh yeah, that's
So once you finish, then the next person got to do it. And remember, you got to do one. Is it one hand at
at a time.
Okay, one hand at a time.
And 1 cup at a time.
Yeah, 1 cup at a time.
So do one person got to complete the stack?
Yes. Yes.
And then the next person doing
You
it.
said 1 hand. Are you saying we're alternating?
Y'all ready? Derek and Bonnie, don't let us lose.
Okay, so
I don't like to
wait a
lose.
minute. So once the minute.
I'm just saying.
No, we're not doing a minute. It's a team.
So I was with my.
Shut up. The first team finishes.
As soon as the first person do it, then they got to pass it to the next person, and then they got to pass it to the next person.
And they got to end back up with that start color. That's what I was trying to do.
Then the next person on the team. Oh, mother, please.
Be ready.
That's pretty good.
All right, where my two You the first one? You the first one? Y'all get there?
Why y'all taking down from?
Because we got 3 people doing it. First it was 40 cups. Okay. We'll be here forever. And if you drop, all right, on your mark, this set, go.
You got to alternate.
One hand at a time.
Every other hand. Other hand.
Now you got to start.
in the rhythm.
No, he ain't got to start over. His team.
No, I said he in the rhythm.
No, she said you got to start
Oh,
over.
okay.
Oh, shit. Pass it to your teammate. There you go.
Drop. One more, back.
That's your fault.
Put the red at the bottom.
That ain't red. Man, you still got time.
Yeah.
Oh, you done?
Come on, Sticky.
Oh, you watching this?
Yes, my speaker's sticky than the wood.
Give up. You gonna do that in the game? No.
Y'all gonna try this?
Don't give up. Just keep going, baby. Keep going. Go.
Red shirt.
Don't give up. Just keep going.
You not alternate your
You gotta
hand.
alternate your
Other
hands.
hand. Every other.
Just keep going. No, keep going. You don't quit.
Y'all got this, Bonnie and Derek. I don't like losing. Y'all hear me, right?
Next team.
Next. All
All
right.
right, 1 minute and 7 seconds.
All right.
So we need 2 new teams. Nope,
Y'all ready?
y'all gonna beat.
Y'all don't let me lose. I'm gonna go first.
Somebody beat you.
So we need 6 more
No, they
people.
got a new person on their team.
Oh, no.
The next 2 teams.
I need a team. Oh, yeah.
When you say alternate your hands, just go like this.
Yes.